away, take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
One eternity later.
That is it, I think this is like, hey cat. She glad to see me. Uh-huh. So this is the greenhouse. We did finally get it in place, and I have not put anything in here. I got it closed up so that nothing goes in until I get my raised beds to go inside. Let's see if I can get this open up. I didn't know you have mosquitoes already, but I'm in zone 8. Maybe not this one. So this has like well, this has like a screen so that you can leave it open in the summertime and it can still get air, which I will definitely need that because how I have it over here. And but if the wind blows, it's not going anywhere, at least. And this is the inside of it, and it's a good size. This is a 10-foot by 6-foot. I am definitely excited to be able to grow some things. These leaves, they're just everywhere. I'll probably get my husband to blow those out of here. And this down here is just some landscape fabric that we put down, but we did go ahead and get it done. It seemed like it took forever to make sure that all of the poles and the hoops were connected right. Thankfully, everything was labeled really nicely, and definitely glad of that. It has a door at the back, which is good because I'll be able to, go in and out and get leaves and stuff like that and clean up behind there, between. But yep, it's right beside, between our house. So yeah, really glad that we've got this set up. As soon as we get our raised beds in, this greenhouse is by Kingbird. They did a really, really good job as far as labeling things. The only thing that I wish was a little bit better as far as the assembly was the instructions. If they was kind of separated, it took me a minute to figure out what was going to what, because they had 2 different instructions in there. But aside from that, everything was good, and I was really excited about that. So hopefully you guys watch and go along the journey with us. I'll probably put right here, I'll probably put my greens in here, truth be told, and put some things in here that can kind of grow vertically to maximize the space. But I do small backyard container gardening, and that is what we will be doing for the 4th summer in a row. Hope you continue to watch, and feel free to subscribe and join us along our journey. This is Devoted to Creation, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about